But bitch, like,
Little mama, don't you know? Your ex shoulda never let you go. Oh, oh, you my flavor. She get drinking straight with no chase.
I'm gonna be using this cotton candy color by Adore in color 190. And then I'm gonna go in with this Kiss Temptations pink pedo. And we just wanna see how that works out. My sink has really, really hot water, like, so I don't gotta boil no water or nothing. Take some of this and pour a lot out. Alright? Ooh. What's the name? Something to just like mix it. You feel me? Make sure you get mix it really good. And I'm gonna just pour a little bit more too. Like, now I'm gonna go in with the Kiss Temptation and the pink pedo. I'm gonna pour not a lot of that because I don't want it to like be too much. If you catch my drift. Got 3 bundles. And what I'm gonna do is take this off, alright? And I'm gonna open the bundle just a little bit, okay? And I'm just gonna dip it. I'm just gonna dip the whole bundle in here in the pink. Ah, it's hot as fuck. Ah, fuck me. I should have used gloves or something. Put that on the towel and then we're gonna go and do it with the other tracks. So because I was going for like more of a soft pink color, that's why you see me keep picking up my weave and checking it and everything instead of just letting it sit in there. And again, I really advise everybody to do all your bundles in one shot, like all 3 of them in one or whatever the case may be, because they're not all gonna come out the same color. Alright, alright. Okay, so now instead of dipping my frontal, I just decided to just dye it like regularly. And what I did was I mixed my hair dyes with conditioner. And what you could do is, if you do want to dip it, because you can, I would suggest that you guys spray the frontal with freeze spray. Like, spray the lace of it just so that the lace won't get dyed. But I was nervous because I really didn't know how this lace was, so I just did it like this. And I'm actually glad that I did it like this because it came out like exactly how I wanted it to. So you feel me? But what you see me doing is really like starting at the root and working my way into the frontal because I really wanted like my roots to be like pink. Okay? Okay? Okay guys, so this is the finished product of me dyeing my bundles. I know that my camera has shut off in the process of me doing my frontal. This shit It's so pretty. I have 20 inches and a 16-inch frontal, I believe. And this hair is like, it's really actually really good. It is so pretty. This is body wave and I straightened it. But bitch, this shit is lit. I ain't even about to sit here in front and play with y'all, bitch. And it's thick. Like, I like made this shit. It's not like already made. Like, this wig is so thick and it's so full, and I didn't even use all the bundles on my wig, so that just says a lot for itself. Like, I still have like a whole track left, like if I wanted to add that into my wig. So shout out to Klaiyi hair, Klaiyi. I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna say that shit. But shout out to them for this bomb ass hair, yo. Like, y'all did the motherfucking thing, okay? Y'all did the motherfucking thing, bitch. Y'all did it. Y'all did it. Kudos. So if you guys want to check this hair out, everything is linked down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good shit. You feel me? Honey, out.